Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Mark Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, July 29th. Wow, we're already getting through the summer here pretty quickly here. We got one item here on the economic calendar, so let's jump right into it with the pending home sales. Actually, this index. So for the month of June, in May it jumped up 44.3%, and June still had a pretty strong number at 16.6, not as strong as May, but of course we had uh, pent up demand there due to the obviously the pandemic, but it jumped up still a pretty good number here in June at 16.6%. Let's jump over here to the headline news. Stocks are up this morning. We're kind of waiting for the FOMC announcement coming about 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, between 11 and 11:30. We'll get that. We got earnings reports coming out. There's also been negotiations, ongoing negotiations going between the White House, the Republicans, Democrats, regards to stimulus recovery package. Uh, Obviously, there's still gaps in between there, so we don't know if and when this will get completed. They could, depending on who digs in the heels the most, I guess, and what they can actually accomplish together. Hopefully they can work together and try to help out the American people and get things moving along, rather than politics as usual. Something that's not on here, we do got a couple of big tech firms heads, from Zuckerberg to Pichai to Cook and such. Those guys, Bezos even there, will be meeting ahead of the House committee on some of the different answering questions. So it'll be interesting to see what comes of that. But in any case, they're kind of waiting for the Fed announcement. They're not expecting any surprises in there. We've had just before the week before this, they usually have kind of their quiet time, that they don't speak to any media. But before that, they were speaking, and they were talking about pretty much how accommodative they were. A lot of it had to do with they were kind of pushing for a stimulus package from the government and to kind of help, but they'll do what they can do on their side. They've done a great job, I have to say, from my personal viewpoint, that I think they've done a great job from what they were dealt with, and jumped up there and actually showed some leadership and kind of did what they needed to do. But let's see how this is playing out in the bond market today and what mortgage rates are doing. We had a nice rally yesterday. At the end of the day, we had some price improvement and ended up closing up 30 basis points. So from here to here, it closed up 30 basis points. Right now, we're up another 14 basis points, so which will translate to better pricing today from what we saw yesterday. Let's see what's going on with yields. Yields are again having a tough time with this floor. They're trying to challenge this floor again. They're just sitting at 0.582, just above the 0.58 level here, and again sitting at this floor. Well, it's been trying to kind of break below it, but we'll see if there's any success. If that breaks below this floor of support, that would help mortgage-backed securities and rates to even further improve. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap. A little bit better pricing today. If you heard before these videos, if you watched my videos before, these are my personal views. Nobody expressed by nobody else but my own. But if you guys are looking to buy a refinance, let's talk. I do work with a national lender. I am a loan officer, and the lender I work with, we blend in 48 states, so I can certainly help you out with what we can. I'm licensed in California, but I can certainly put you in place to be assisted in the other states, 48 states. So if you're looking to refinance or buy, we can help in both scenarios. We can get you pre-qualified, buy the place and finance it. We can set you up on a plan. There's a lot of different scenarios we've been kind of working on of late. I've been running into retired people having a hard time refinancing. I even had one trying to purchase, and we've come up with solutions for those folks to be able to accomplish what they need to do and try to take advantage of the low rates. So I will put my personal email down below in the description, and just please feel free to reach out and we'll connect. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.